Let's talk about XCN. Its full name is Onyx coin. I'm covering it after quite some time. It's sitting at 1.4 cents right now, 1.42. And I'm covering it after some time because I have covered this coin quite extensively, and there wasn't much because its areas and targets and everything, they are kids play. Our target area is always 1.45, and I'll show it to you. This is your area 1.45. It touches it and fails, touches it and it fails, and it touches it, and it continues to play this overall game. Now, until and unless XCN doesn't break above the area of 1.45, this is on daily. You can see the candle bodies are not going above it. They are all wicks. So even if I don't cover this coin for like more than 10 days, there is not a it's not a case scenario where I'm missing out on something or I'm not covering it and you are missing out on something. It is following through. So with XCN, as I have said previously, the areas and targets and everything are straightforward. When it conquers the area of 1.45, lives above that with 2 daily candles bodies closing above it, we expect it to shoot up towards 1.8, and after that we can talk about 2.2. But if it is not capturing 1.45, the only thing you can expect is to drop towards 1.2 and then 1 cent. So far, it has been kind enough only to go down to 1.35 if it hasn't dropped in any form of dramatic manner. But there is one thing that is of a concern on daily, is that if it goes down to 1.35, this time it will create a head and shoulder. This is one shoulder. This is a head. It will create another shoulder. If you say it is not a head and shoulder, call it a triple top. One top, second top. This will be a third top. Now this is a bearish structure. Because this is a questionable structure. At 1.35, even though it's not a support level we care about, but now it has turned into a neckline for this pattern that we are seeing. If it goes below 1.35 for more than 2 days, I think you should expect XCN to bleed. It will bleed easily towards 1 cent. It will then start losing zeros and it will go towards 0.008. Unfortunately, it will start getting really horrible. It's just because of the fact that since it got listed on Binance, from that day onward, XCN is unfortunately on a perpetual downward trend. Visually, you can see it if you draw a line like this. It has only touched these areas and crashed, which means that this time if it goes down, it needs to go below this area, which means it will go way below 0.008 as well. So, but I'll come back and I'll let you know that, okay, now where are we heading? But that's pretty much it with XCN. XCN is right now very close to its support area of 1.45. It's sitting at 1.42. So if it only manages to go and live above this area 1.45, all of a sudden we will go bullish. If it doesn't, then we can talk about all the bearishness that I just discussed. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.